Ala.
Oh, very hot. Very heavy. It's heavy.
No, it's lights. Teka.
There is. Take the video.
This one is heavy.
We are in Karen with Pastor and Sister Rodolfo.
Heavy.
Ito yung lugar na kung saan tinatawag nilang Ancient Corinth. Salamat sa Diyos, puri ng Panginoon dahil nakasama natin sila at nakita nilang person. Pastor! Pastor!
Halika.
Sigami! Daydasan mo.
Halika.
Kailan, Pastor? Bawal uya. Bawal pa.
Bawal ba?
Yeah,
No touching.
Yeah, no touching.
Pinutok-tok pa.
Oh.
Did you balik ang video?
Yeah.
Damn!